Hello everybody. Now few more questions I am going to discuss based on the Heron's formula. Now question is, the sides of a triangle are given. These are the sides are given is here only. We want to know the length of its longest altitude. Means we can draw the perpendicular. You can draw the perpendicular from here. You can draw from B, from C is there. We want to know the longest altitude is there. Means what will be the length of the longest. So longest altitude in any triangle is always fall on the smallest side. Longest altitude हमेशा सबसे छोटी वाली side पर गिरेगा. And if we talk about the smallest altitude, then the biggest side is there. On the biggest side पर perpendicular जो गिरेगा, that will be the smallest one. So to find this longest altitude, you are supposed to find out the area first only. So as usual, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 35 plus 54 plus 61 by 2. 150 by 2, that is 75. Now you can find out the area is here. So area of the triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is already, we know that. You can put the values here. So 75 into 75 minus 35, 75 minus 54, and 75 minus 61. S minus A, S minus B, S minus 6. Simple, you can do that. So you will get inside the radical sign, here is 75 into 35 you will subtract, that is 40, into here you will subtract, so that is 21, into 20, that is 14. So you can do the factor of this one here only. So this can be written as 3 into 5 into 5, this 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 21, 7 into 3, and 7 into 2. As usual, you can do the factors. So here is how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2's बाहर आएंगे. 1, 3 will come out, and 1, 5, 1, 7. And 1, 7 will remain inside the radical sign. So this is your equal to 420 root 5 centimeter square. This is the area of this one. So 5 3 is 15, 30, 60, 6 7 is 42, 420. This one is there. So this is the area. But to find the longest altitude, we will draw the perpendicular here on the smallest one side, H. So area of this triangle, general formula you can apply 1 over 2 into base BC into H. This is the general formula, because you are taking this base, इसको base ले ये altitude, or by the Heron's formula you are going to find the area of this triangle will remain the same. It's not going to. So this is equal to what? 420 root 5 is already given, is equal to 1 by 2, and BC is given 35 into H. So from here H is equal to 420 root 5 into 2 over 35, and you can solve this one only. 7 5 60, 12. So H is equal to 24 root 5 centimeter. So this is your longest altitude. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is, there is a triangle ABC which is an isosceles. The base of this isosceles triangle is given 24 centimeter, and the area of this triangle is also given. Base is given and area is given. We are interested to find the perimeter. So if we talk about the perimeter, अगर हम perimeter की बात करें तो it means we want to find out, we want to know the sum of the sides AB plus BC plus CA. But here is, we know this base only, that is 24. We don't know these two sides. So you are supposed to find out these two sides first. पहले हमको ये निकालना है. So look at here. For the own convenience, you can draw the perpendicular here is like AM, which is your H. So general formula you can apply here only. So we can find out the H is there. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 over 2 into base into corresponding altitude. So area is already given 192, 1 over 2, and base is also given 24 into H. General formula we are supposed to apply. उससे क्या होगा, वी कैन फाइंड आउट दिस h is there only. So here is h will be equal to 192 into 2 over 24, 12 this one, and 2 6 so this is h is 16 centimeter. So this height is you are getting 16 centimeter. And one more point, if we draw the perpendicular in any isosceles angle from this vertex on opposite side, then this perpendicular is always divide this one into two equal parts. Means if EM is perpendicular on BC, then this BM will be equal to MC will be equal to half of this one, that is 12 centimeter. So this is will be your 12 centimeter. If in any isosceles angle, अगर हम किसी isosceles angle में opposite vertex से base को perpendicular आते हैं, तो that perpendicular is always divided into two equal parts. Now you know this one, you know this h by the Pythagoras in this triangle. You can find out AB. So just take in triangle. In triangle AMB, we can apply the Pythagoras. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. So AM is given 16. BM is 12 whole square. So what you will get is here 196 plus 144. So AB square is equal to, what you will get is here 0 4 3. Means 16 into 16 you will do 9 6 1. So this is 6 5 2 5 6 2 5 6. And this is, you will get is here only 0, then 0, then 4. So therefore AB is equal to what? 20 centimeter. So now this side, you know this is 20 centimeter and this is also 20 centimeter. Now you can find out the perimeter. So perimeter will be equal to what? Sum of all the sides. Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. That is AB is what? That is 20, BC is 24 plus 20, so that is 64 centimeter. And this is your answer. Have a look. Yes, one more problem we are taking. Now the information is given, there is a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Side AB is given, BC, CD and DA, means these four sides are given, and one angle is given between the two conjugate sides, this angle B. See, one more point is here only, this is the quadrilateral, but the nature of this quadrilateral we don't know. So if you have suppose as the name of the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. अगर parallelogram है तो you can apply this formula 1/2 area of parallelogram is base into height you can. If it is a rectangle then you can apply this one length into breadth. A square, side square is there, or if it is a rhombus then you can apply this one 1/2 d1 into d2, means 1/2 into first diagonal into second diagonal. You can find out the area. But here is the important point is here, this quadrilateral is given, but the nature of this quadrilateral is not given is here. So what we will do is here, we are supposed to join this AC. If you are going to join this AC, अगर मैं इस AC को join कर रहा हूँ, तो you are getting the two different triangles. You are getting one of the triangle is this one, another triangle is this one is there. These two. It means अगर मैं दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया सेपरेटली वी कैन कैलकुलेट बाय द हीरोन्स फार्मूला और उसको हम ऐड कर दें तो यू विल गेट एरिया ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रिलेटर. बट द पॉइंट इज हियर, वी नो दिस साइड, वी नो दिस वन, बट वी डोंट नो दिस AC. So first of all you are supposed to calculate this AC is here only. You are supposed to calculate this is there. So the information is given, ABCD is a quadrilateral, AB is given 9, BC is 40, CD is 28 and DA is 15 is here only. And this angle B is given 90. So you are supposed to calculate this AC first by the Pythagoras is there. और अगर हमको ये पता चल गया तो you will get the two different triangles. You can get the two different triangles. You can calculate the area of this triangle ABC, right angle triangle. So 1/2 base into height you can do. But for this triangle you need this AC. But this AC we can calculate by with the help of this triangle only. So first of all you must take in this triangle. In triangle ABC. You can apply the Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is by Pythagoras. Here. So this is AB is, we know that is 9 whole square, BC is 40. So this is your 81 plus 1600, so that is 1681. So AC is equal to under root 1681. So this is your the side AC, we know this one is there. So this AC will come equal to, this is equal to 41 centimeter. Have a look. So now we know this AC. Now you can find out the area of this triangle and this one separately. This is your 41 centimeter. So now you can calculate the area of triangle ABC here. Right angle triangle वाला property सीधा कर दिया 1/2 base BC into AB. So this is 1/2 into base BC is 40 into 9, 20. So that is 180 centimeter square. लेकिन in this triangle we are supposed to apply the Heron's formula is here. So for the own convenience, you can assume this is A, this is B, and this is C. So you must calculate S first. So S is equal to, now you must calculate for in triangle ABC we are taking. That is sum of the sides, means 41 plus 28 plus 50 by 2. So the sum will be equal to 84 over 2. Is equal to 42 centimeters. So S is this one is there. Now you can apply the formula. Area is equal to under root, simple, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can put the values here. S is 42 into 42 minus 41, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15. Now you can solve this one here. Look at here now. I'm going to rub. This is your. So this is equal to under root 42. 42 minus 1 is 1 into, you will get is 14 into, here is you will get 27. 14. 42, 1 into this is here is 14 and here is 27. You can do the factor of this one. So this is 2 into 3 into 7. This is 1 will remain as it is. 14 2 into 7, 7 into 3. So here you can take out 1 2, 1 3, 1 7 and 1 7 will remain inside the radical sign. So this is equal to 42 root 7 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle is there only. So let me see here only some calculation. 42 into 1 into this is 14 and here is 27. This is here we are counting, this is 2 into 7, here this is 3 into 3 into 3. This is there only. This is the mistake we were counting here only. So 1 2 and 1 2 3 4, 2 3 and 1 7. So here you will get is 6 into 21, 126 centimeter square. Now you can add this one and this, you will get the area of this quadrilateral. So look at here now. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. You must add this one. Area of triangle ABC, it was equal to, this is side is your 9, so 180 and this is 126, so 603, 306 centimeter square. This is the area of this quadrilateral. Because you know this angle, you can find out this side is there. Here you can apply 1/2 base into altitude, but here you are supposed to apply the Heron's formula. Separately दोनों का area calculate करो, add them, you will get the area of this quadrilateral. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is, find the area of this given figure, which is given ABCD. This ABCD is a quadrilateral is given here only. We want to find out the area of this quadrilateral. So what we can do, we can calculate the area of this triangle ABC and ADC, and you can add the area of both the triangles. You will get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So what will be the area of this quadrilateral? Area of quadrilateral, area of figure, you can say area of this figure, which is given in the form of the quadrilateral, will be 0. Answer is 0. Area will be the 0. See, why? How can you say the area will be the 0? Because this figure is given in the form of the quadrilateral. Look at here now. Sum of these two sides is not greater than this one. It means this cannot be the quadrilateral. Because according to the condition, any triangle, sum of the two sides must be greater than the third one, but this is not greater than third one. It means this triangle is not going to form. Similarly here, this is also not going to form. So this is not a quadrilateral. So we cannot calculate the area of this triangle separately. Triangle बन ही नहीं रहा है क्योंकि इन दो साइड का सम इससे बड़ा है, बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा है. इसका मतलब ट्रायंगल ही नहीं बन रहा. वो जब ट्रायंगल नहीं बन रहा है, ये कंप्लीट नहीं बना, ये भी ट्रायंगल नहीं बना. इट मींस दिस इज नॉट ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस फिगर विल बी द 0 बिकॉज ये फिगर बनेगा नहीं. इट्स नॉट ए क्लोज्ड, ओपन कहीं होगा. सो इट कैन नॉट बी कैलकुलेट द एरिया हियर in case of this quadrilateral is there. So you should be very careful is here. Okay. Next question है, the sides of a triangle are in this ratio. The triangle is given, the side of this triangle are given the ratio in 5, 12 and 13. Means इनकी जो साइड है वो इस पर्टिकुलर रेशियो में है. सपोज दिस इज 5, 12 and 13. अगर मैं इसको A ले लूं, this is B and C. It means then you can say the sides are in a ratio. So sides will be, you can say A, let us suppose 5x, B is 12x, and C is 13x, because they are in particular ratio. So, but the perimeter is already given. So from here only, A plus B plus C, that is will be the perimeter of this triangle. तो यहाँ से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can find out the value of x. X की value निकल आएगी. You can put the value of x is here. You will get these sides. Then you can apply the Heron's formula. So here is the 5x plus 12x plus 13x is equal to 150. So here you will get 20x is equal to 150. So x is equal to 150 over 20. So this is, therefore x is equal to, you are getting is here 7.5. This is means the perimeter is given 150 and then this one, sorry, this is 1325, this is 30, sorry, this is 30, this is your 30, so it will be 5. So x is 5. Now x you can put here, x की value आप यहाँ रखिए. You will get the ABC is here. So what you will get? A 5x, that is 5 into 5, 25. B 12 into 5, 60. C 13 into 5, 65. So you know these sides is there. You can find out the area of this triangle by the Heron's formula. So now look at here now. I am going to rub this one. Look at here. Now sides we know, you can calculate the S first. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is perimeter. It will be equal to this one is there already, you know, that is 150 over 2, that is 75. Now the area will be equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is already, you know, S आपको पता है, you know A, you know B, you know C. Put the values here and calculate. Here is S 75, 75 minus A 25, 75 minus 60 and 75 minus 65. So this is under root 75, 50, this is 15 and 10. You can do the factor now. For the own convenience, this can be written as 3 into 5 into 5, 10 into 5 you can write down, then 3 into 5 into 10. So here 1, 3 will come out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5 and 1, 10 here. So this is 750 centimeter square the area of this triangle. This is your answer. Have a look. Okay, now see, the question is the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of a triangle. Difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of a triangle is are 8, 7 and 5 centimeter respectively. You have to find the area of this one. See, the important point is here only. What is the information is given? Difference of the semi-perimeter and the side of a triangle means this 8 is what? S minus A is equal to 8 centimeter is given. Similarly, here is S minus B is 7 centimeter and S minus C is equal to 5 centimeter. This is the beauty of this question is there, because the question is saying the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of a triangle. So if we calculate the semi-perimeter is here, what will be your semi-perimeter? A plus B plus C by 2. So here you will get what? A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. We will take the advantage of this one. So this is given. Semi-perimeter and side difference. Semi-perimeter and side difference is this one. Now you have to find the area of this triangle. See now. You can do here S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C. If you are doing, what you will get? 8 plus 7 plus 5. Because until unless you don't know this ABC, you cannot find the area of this triangle. जब तक हमको ये side नहीं पता होंगी, we cannot find out. So here only what you will get? S 3S minus A minus B minus C is equal to, this is your 20. Here you can write down 3S minus, you can take out the common, A plus B plus C is equal to 20. See now, but this A plus B plus C is equal to what? That is 2S is already you know. So you can put the 2S's here. What do we get? 3S minus 2S is equal to 20. So therefore, S is equal to 20. Now you know this S, but we don't know this ABC is here. But you want to find out the area of this triangle. हमें ABC पता होना चाहिए, लेकिन ABC we don't know. We know the S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We want to find out the area of this triangle. So it's more than enough. Area का formula लिखिए, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, under root. S is already we know, that is 20. But here is the S minus A is already given here. Look at here now. ये दिया हुआ है. S minus B is also given here. S minus C is also given here. So these values direct you can put here only. Here only. So what you will get? 20 into 8 into 7 into 5. You can do the factor of this one. This is your 2 into 2 into 5, and this is your 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 5. So from here what you will get is here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 will come out, and 1, 5, and 2 and 7 will remain inside the radical sign. 2 into 1, 7. So this is your 20 root 14 centimeter square. 20 root 14 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Simple. You know this is S minus A. This is already given. Just write this formula. S minus A is given. S minus B, S minus C. Put these values. Solve it. You will get the area of this one. Have a look.